Hey everybody, Shop Time with Dave back at you. Well, back on the PM research number 3. It looks like we're going to finish out this video series the same way we started it, in the house. The question is, will it run? Well, I thought we'd begin with something simple, like putting the crank wheel on the end of the crankshaft. Just lining it up here at the end. That was easy enough. Let's try assembling the piston. There's our little guy. Got a step here. Slide it through. Our little tiny nut. 3/16. Here's our back head. Slide that through. Put our packing nut on. And then we'll slide it all through. Guess we can go ahead and thread this little nut on. Let's put our crosshead in. Getting somewhere already. Got a little gasket. Fit our rings. Little Teflon rings. They thought of everything, didn't they? I need to backtrack a little bit here. Need to put the packing material in. And we had a bit of a fatality. I guess I over tightened the nut or something on our piston rod and broke it off. So I had to make a new one. And all I could find was some steel. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Need to get our packing material shoved down in there. I think it's way too much. I don't think I can get all that stuffed in there. Several people on YouTube have made this before, and I don't remember any of them showing this kind of struggle. jam nut on here. Oil our piston again. Some oil in the cylinder here. Gasket. Get a screw started in it. I gotta see if I can get this bottom screw in there. Okay, got it started. Let's see if we can get our little crosshead in there. I think, after looking at this, I think we need to connect our crosshead with our crank rod first. So this pin presses in. Man, it's tight. Turned out there was a little bit of a burr, and that's why it wouldn't go together. Slides right there now. See if we can press it in with the pliers here. Look at that. Whee! All right. I think we need some oil on these ways. Slide ways. The eccentric into the eccentric strap. More oil. More oil is always good. Crankshaft in. Eccentric strap. Then eccentric. Now, we need to set the eccentric 90 degrees from our crank. sure we'll have to adjust this later, but let's hope not. Remember our little tiny bearing? Let's put him in. There he goes. And then got another screw here with a washer. Run him in. This all the way forward. I got it figured it needs to be about 54 thousandths. Let's see where we're at. Looks like 54 to me. How do you hold all this together all at once? See if we can do that again successfully. Guess I can put the head on now. What do you say? Now we gotta get this little tiny pin through this little tiny hole. Gives us a little wiggle action for our eccentric rod. Some more lube. Okay, there's our valve. So we gotta bend it. Here we go. Let's hope I got the right amount of bend in it. Keep things moving along. See if we can put the flywheel on. Looks good there. So I snipped a little bit off the ends. Let's see what this will do for us. Well, we're all assembled. I'll do the adjustments, and then we'll bring it back for the will it run. And now for the payoff. Will it run? Well, everybody, it's a success. It runs. But yeah, we just finished this video right out where I started, at the kitchen table. Well, thanks for coming along on this adventure. The mistakes were made. Things had to be redone. But you're going to have that. This was quite the educational project for me. Built some new mill skills, so now we can move on to a newer, bigger, better project. So thanks for coming along, and come back for more Shop Time with Dave. Thank you.